Winnipeg Harvest is always in need of lean and nutritious protein, and tonight a new partnership with Manitoba chicken producers aims to solve that. The Caring for Communities program officially launched today with the delivery of 3,000 chickens. Starting in July, Manitoba chicken producers will be contributing 1,000 chickens a week to Winnipeg Harvest. Today's delivery was in direct response to the increased need caused by COVID-19.
Our organization is community-oriented. Our farmers, they go above and beyond in their own communities doing things to help their communities, but this was more of a provincial effort. All of our farmers, as well as Done Right and XL Door, to make a difference in the lives of our neighbors, our communities, and help Winnipeg Harvest out.
Winnipeg Harvest says it will help provide much-needed lean protein to its clients. To make a donation, you can go to Winnipeg Harvest's website, or you can always go to winnipeg.ctvnews.ca and follow the links.